In this video, we'll be going over logarithms. So for the questions that we're going to tackle now, we're going to need to know two laws: the multiplication law and the division law. So, the multiplication law. This is log x base a plus log y base a is equal to log of xy base a. So the base remains the same, and the numbers that we have in our log are multiplied together. We add the two logs together. And we need to know the division law. So this works as log x base a minus log y to the base a is equal to log of x over y to the base a. And so we're going to use these to answer our questions. So here we have our questions. So write as a single logarithm. So let's start with question A. So log of 7 base 2 plus log of 3 base 2. And so we need to simplify this. So using a multiplication rule, we can do log of 7 times 3 base 2. And this is equal to log of 21 base 2. Right. Now let's do B. So here we have log 36 base 2 minus log 4 base 2. And by using our division law here, we can get log 36 over 4 with base 2. This simplifies down to log of 9 to the base 2. Now we'll do question C. So now we have 3 times log 2 to the base 5 plus log 10 to the base 5. What we can do here is we can treat 3 log 2 to the base 5 as log 2 to the base 5 added together 3 times. So if we have log 2 to the base 5 and just add it again for a total of 3 times, so log 2 to the base 5 plus log 2 to the base 5, and now we can stick on our log 10 to the base 5. We can now multiply all the values in there, and we get, so 2 log of 2 times 2 times 2 times 10 to the base 5. This gives us log of 80 to the base 5. Question D. So you have 2 log 8 to the base 6 minus 4 log 3 to the base 6. We can simplify this down to log of 8 squared, 8 to the power of 2 base 6. So the 8 to the power of 2 would be the value that we put into our log. And we have minus log of 3 to the power of 4 to base 6. And this is what we call the power law. So the power law is log of x to the power of k with a base of a is equal to k times log of x to the base a. So with any coefficient of our logarithm, we can use it and put it to the power of the value inside our logarithm. So with this, we get log of, so 8 squared we have a 64 over 3 to the power of 4, which is 81, and this has base 6. So that's D. Now for E, we have log 5 to the base 10 plus log 6 base 10 minus log of 1 over 4 to the base 10. So with this, we can simplify it down to log 5 times 6 to the base 10 with our multiplication law minus log of 1 over 4 to the base 10. Now we can use a division law here. So we get log of, so 5 times 6 is 30, so we have 30 over 1 over 4, and this is to base 10. And so if we have a number divided by a fraction, we can multiply it by the denominator and divide by the numerator of that fraction. So we have log of 30 times 4 to the base 10, and this is equal to log of 120 to base 10. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.